4th of July is just around the corner and I am celebrating the red, white, and blue. So if you want to see a simple but classic patriotic tablescape, keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. So if you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about running a household, table design, gardening, all those kinds of things, subscribe because I do videos similar to this one frequently. We have lots of fun over here and I think you'd really enjoy what we do. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below because I will link my favorite housekeeping and gardening solutions there. Okay, so let's get into the video. I am participating in a challenge hosted by Forlisa at Home, Body, and Soul, and it's the 4th of July Barcart Challenge. And what she wanted us to do was create a 4th of July either bar cart, tablescape, or some other kind of home decor that celebrated Independence Day. And I have for you my Independence Day tablescape. Let's take a look. So what you see here is place settings for 4, and I took the chair from there away so that I could bring the camera in close enough for you to see. But typically I set the table for 4. So what I've got right here is a coaster that says Happy 4th, and of course it's for the 4th of July. And then I've got this red salad plate from the Rachel Ray Square and Rounds collection. It's red on the front and white on the back. And then I've got these sweet little towels that I use for napkins. And then these dinner plates. I picked these dinner plates up sometime last year from the Dollar Tree, and I just love the little beaded elements that are on the plates, and they work very well for almost any occasion. I only picked up 8 of them when I got them, and I wish I had got a lot more. The Square Round Rachel Ray collection, I picked up thrifting. I believe I got this at the Goodwill sometime last year, and it wasn't a complete set. I believe there were 6 of these luncheon plates, 4 of the dinner plates. Then I also have the coffee mugs that accompany them. And then I layer it with this 4th of July coaster. Here I've got the mason jars for drinking lemonade and iced tea. In Indiana, you just don't have any occasion where you don't serve both lemonade and iced tea. And I thought these sweet little red and white straws would be perfect to complement the table. I picked the straws up from Target. The mason jars I've had forever because I do can. And then these martini glasses, shaken, not stirred, are going to be used for fruit. I'm going to have like strawberries and blueberries as a fruit, kind of a fruit cocktail. So we will use these for that. So I just think they're really sweet. And I picked these up thrifting at the Salvation Army sometime last year. When I take a look at my centerpiece, I picked up this sweet little pitcher and I have it here for water. And I got this from TJ Maxx about a year or so ago. And then this little flag and this dish, I'm not sure where I got them. I believe I got this set of dishes from Joann's. And I typically hang them on the wall, but I put them in a little small frame to sit here to remind us of what the season is all about. And this little flag, I don't know where I got it. I've just had it forever. It's part of the Americana collection that I have. So this is my Americana tablescape. It's very patriotic, but also very functional. The meal would typically be hot dogs or hamburgers or bratwurst or barbecued ribs or something like that. And then we'd have our fruit, our blueberries and strawberry combination over here. And then of course you can't have a holiday, particularly 4th of July, without something as American as apple pie. So we'd have apple pie for dessert, and then for those who want coffee with their dessert, then I've also got the red and white coffee mugs. So here's my 4th of July tablescape. So let me take this opportunity one more time to thank Forlisa at Home, Body, and Soul for hosting this challenge. It was really a lot of fun pulling all of this together to share it with you. And I will link her channel below so that you can see some of the amazing work that she does over there. And I'll also link the playlist for the 4th of July Barcart Challenge so that you can see the creative things that the other people have done as well. Now here's my question for you. What part of this tablescape did you find most interesting? Tell me in the comment section below. And just so you know, I've managed a home for more than 45 years. I've raised 3 children and I'm a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking, cleaning, laundry, planning, and health and beauty, like I said earlier, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you in the next video. And I'm going to enjoy some apple pie.